Welcome to the CLTN Daylighting course for WaveLinx Wireless, our best practices, first quarter 2023. In this module, we're going to be going over daylighting theory, daylighting when to calibrate, how to calibrate, open loop versus closed loop, and then we'll go over our best practices. In the WaveLinx system, ambient, industrial, outdoor integrated sensors, low voltage fixture integrated sensors, and tile mount sensors use closed loop daylighting to directly control the physically connected load. Each daylight sensor is automatically assigned to a unique closed loop daylight set. Each sensor has a default factory setting that provides closed loop daylighting to a reasonable light level. Daylight sensor operation begins when the daylight set is enabled. Each CLS sensor can be programmed to lead or participate in an open-loop daylight set to which the other members of the set will follow one sensor's readings. This allows for uniformity across the grouping. The default factory settings and auto-calibrate function cannot account for all factors that affect the light level measured at the sensor. The sensor location is not at the surface but at the fixture, and therefore its readings of reflected light level is affected by many variables, including the mounting height and the reflective properties of the surface. For most applications, manual calibration is not necessary. Calibration of sensors is recommended only in cases where the performance of factory set parameters is unacceptable, which will include a light level at the surface is consistently too low or too high during periods of moderate daylight. The lighting does not turn off during periods of bright sunshine, and the lighting does not turn on during dark periods. Now, if calibration is necessary, for best results with closed loop, calibrate and adjust the target level of all the sensors within one area at the same time using the mobile app's Calibrate All function. In this method, all of the sensors within the space will be calibrated together, accounting for the possible effects of light overlap from adjacent fixtures. If necessary, individual sensor calibration can be used to fine-tune these settings. In closed loop, every sensor is its own daylight set for possible lighting differences per fixture. For open loop, sensors follow one sensor for a uniform group. You will assign multiple sensors to follow a single lead sensor. Enable test mode in open loop for faster feedback. For daylighting best practice, disable daylighting in the area. Force the area to 100%. Now calibrate using the closed loop or open loop tab set. Use the slider bars to adjust the electric light to the correct level for each controlled device or whole set. Enter the light meter's average surface reading into the work surface field. This should be about the light level under each sensor after your slider bar adjustments. Hit calibrate. As always, lower the slide lever to the lower electric level and increase the sensitivity to daylight. Raise the slider level to increase the electric light level and decrease the sensitivity to daylight. Open loop and closed loops have very similar processes, and please refer to the user guide for any specific details. Thank you.
I hope this video was informative, and thanks for watching.